Come ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, it's awesome.
And it flies?
Each week,
Hey,
there's a
Mr.
new
Sam.
journey from a permanent author.
What is this place?
A few friends
Your
with us,
stand?
we about to travel on before.
Welcome, tiny human.
Ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
I think we're ready to go.
You know, Stan, I think it's admirable you've taken to watercolor painting on this very watery afternoon.
Especially since he's a terrible...
Oh, there you go. Drink up. Do you feel better now?
What's going on? What's that?
Hey, Roe! You're scaring the turtle.
What is a turtle?
This is a creature known only in legends. Half dolphin, half turtle. Full turtle. They need color to survive. What is this place? Are you guys hermits? Book hoarders?
No, I'm Stan Tucker, and this is the Very Airy Library. How did you find us?
Good question. I was on my boat searching for rare sea creatures when I spotted a myrtle of turtle. That means a group of them. But before I could pursue, a squall came out of nowhere. And long story short, I was beached on this island and found this little lady all by herself, gasping for color. Then I just followed the lights and found this funky little library.
You're a hero. You saved this turtle's life.
I appreciate the encouragement, but I did what anyone would do.
I don't think I could have managed that. I can't seem to get anything right today.
Stan is being hard on himself because he does not like the way he paints.
Stan, you need to be nicer to Stan. He's a pretty good guy.
I had to learn that lesson myself, and in fact, I wrote a book about it. It's called I Love Being Me.
Oh my, you are Mechal Roe.
The one and only.
I have a book of yours that might help Stan feel better about being Stan.
Whoa! Wow. Oh my God.
Is this it?
Yup, that sure is.
Awesome. What is it about?
I wrote and illustrated this book to encourage and inspire young girls to love themselves in many different ways. Sometimes we have really bad days, and a little bit of self-care can go a long way.
Oh, I like to do a little self-care by painting my toes.
So why did you decide to become an author?
When I was a little girl, I remember wanting to see things that looked like me and made me feel good. And when I got old enough and I drew a lot and I designed clothes, I said, you know what? I'm gonna make a book that represents me and the little girl inside of me. So I ended up writing I Love Being Me.
You're an illustrator too?
You bet. I do all my own illustrations. I even illustrated Karis Rogers' Shine Bright and Vice President Kamala Harris's book, Superheroes Are Everywhere.
So maybe you can help me with my dog painting.
Yay!
I know, the eyes are too big and the legs are too short.
Just a wee bit. Hold on, illustrating isn't always about being the best at drawing. It's more about style.
Style?
Yeah, it means you do you. Embrace those big eyes and short legs. When people see this, they will know that Stan Tucker drew it.
Yay!
Oh, it looks like the storm has passed.
Can we give you a lift?
Lift?
Did I mention this place flies?
Get out of here. Can I pilot?
Didn't you just wreck a boat?
Or did I survive a boat wreck that I caused?
Oh, I've done that a few times.
Well, that's it for today, fellow story explorers. Remember to always be kind and never judge a book
Or a person by their cover.
See you next time, friends.
I think she's feeling better.
I think she is too.
Stories can teach us a lot about ourselves. I hope you'll consider picking up this insightful book for your next read.